Hey guys, so we are heading towards Rosetta by ferns, Sakleshpur, and that will take around 15 minutes more. So that's 9:23 we'll reach, and yeah, we're a little early. Actually, just because the road is so good, we hit the road like anything. So it was so enjoyable this journey. The road was good, and we enjoyed a lot. And the drive was really good. I can say the drive is really good. This Sakleshpur road, even we came. This is our fourth time, I think. Fourth time, right? This is our fourth time in Sakleshpur, and every time we got this road. I mean, this road is really awesome. And yeah, so Rosetta by ferns. That's a 5-star property. We'll stay tonight over there, and that will take. We'll reach around 9:23. So we're early. Let's see. We can just. Check in little early, and yeah, so enjoy with us, guys. Follow our channel and give us a thumbs up. For our last videos we saw very good response, so thanks guys, thanks being with us. Yep, so let's go. Hey guys, we just have a burger and we'll drink some tea now. So actually we forgot to get the glasses, so we'll drink it from here. This is without sugar and should be tasty though, and it's outside, it's cold and there are mist and fog everywhere, but we are enjoying our ride. Yeah. Hey guys, this is the entry of the Rosetta by ferns. So now we just reached early and we are going inside now. Thank you. So we are going inside. You can see the side is full of coffee plants. You can see it's become red. I think it's the time to plant it. So we are going inside now. This is the lobby, is on the left. You can see the property seems really good from this side, and I think this is the lobby, right? Okay, yeah, I think this is the lobby. They have buggy. Yeah, we'll go inside now.
Gotcha.
We're going inside now. It's 10 o'clock. We just reached. So
Your name?
yeah,
My name is Nihan Rubelu.
yeah.
Okay,
Hi.
so here on the right side we have a chapel which we built in the resort.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's for when we have destination weddings and things like that.
Okay.
So this resort has a total of 72 rooms.
72.
72
Okay.
rooms which are operational,
Okay.
and we are adding another 55 units over here
And this buggy,
on this way.
Maldives buggy.
Oh, nice. But I think this buggy is better now, ma'am.
That's nice. Oh, this side it's.
This side is just about to get ready. We're adding another 55 rooms here.
Oh, okay. Great.
Another 1 month we'll have total of 127 rooms.
Okay.
Paper tree.
Yeah.
But it's not ready.
That's, I'll show you one.
Okay.
It's in parts, yeah.
Okay.
আমরা কি রোড ট্রিপে যাচ্ছি?
না না ওরা ওখান পর্যন্ত
Okay.
Yeah.
So to tell you about our restaurants, what you see on the left here on the ground floor with the glass, this is our main restaurant. It's called as Tariff, the estate kitchen.
Okay.
This is where we serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's a 24-hour restaurant.
Okay.
So buffet system, which is included in your meals. I mean, all your meals is included in the package. You can come here for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Okay.
You're with us for 1 night or 2 nights, sir?
1 night.
Only 1 night. Okay. If you would like, on top we have a restaurant called as the Merchants of Spice,
Okay.
where we do, it's an Indian fine dine restaurant.
Okay.
So if you'd like, you can tell them by lunchtime and you can book your meal to sit up there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's
That's also included, like
it's-
in all
yeah,
inclusive.
it's an option to swap it.
Oh,
Instead of
okay.
having buffet for dinner, you can have it. It's an 5-course fine dine meal.
Oh, okay.
So that's what you can access over there for dinner.
Okay. Kind of a set menu.
It's a set menu, yes.
Okay.
With Indian spice specialty.
Okay.
Two restaurants are there. The third restaurant we have here,
Okay.
and the pool bar basically. This is a swimming pool, and this restaurant is called as Uzo by Fire.
Okay.
So here we have the main bar as well. And if you'd like for lunch, since you're here for 1 day, I would suggest have lunch there itself.
Okay.
But otherwise, lunch you have an option of switching here, where we do a typical poolside lunch.
Oh,
Where
okay.
you get like burgers, sandwiches, fries, that kind of concept, rolls
Okay.
and all of that.
Okay.
So this is the main pool, and these are our water bodies which you see down. We have 3 tanks in total.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this one is a natural one, and 2 below that are man-made ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
That is the white tent you see on top there is our own. We have our own hydroponic farm.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
poly house basically. So most of the vegetables that you see in the restaurant, or like for the salads, all
Greenhouse.
yes, it's a greenhouse. All the salads, everything is grown in house. It's fresh.
Oh, okay.
And every day we pick it
Organic.
up and bring it to
This
yes.
property is new property.
It opened on the 15th of June, ma'am. We started operation.
Oh, okay. So 2021.
Yes.
Okay.
6 months.
Yes.
New property.
Because I mean, recently I searched for Sakleshpur and saw this property.
Yes.
Before that, I didn't see that. That's why I was confused.
In fact, we
Like
were ready earlier in Jan, but when we just about started, then we had to close again for lockdown. So June 15th we started operation. So like this, you see all these clusters. We have in total 12 clusters
Okay.
with 6 rooms each. So total of 72 rooms which are operational on this room.
Oh, okay. So these will be ours. Like stay will
Yes,
be
you'll
here.
be staying. Do you know which category room you booked, sir?
Robust,
Okay.
robust, I think.
So in each cluster that you see, on the ground floor we have 4 rooms.
Okay.
Number 1 and number 4 on the corner are what we call as the robusta rooms.
Okay. Okay.
So 2 in between, number 2 and number 3 are the cardamom rooms,
Okay.
where we have it's a slightly bigger room with a small kitchenette in place. And on top we have the teak suites, which are 1-bedroom apartments.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all 72 rooms in the entire resort have an outdoor shower,
Okay.
so you'll get to experience that as well.
Yeah. I saw that in YouTube, so
Yeah.
it's good actually. Yeah, actually we didn't decide like we'll come this week, but we got a holiday actually for me, so I thought that okay, let's go. But I have only 1 day, so maybe we'll come back later.
Maybe you should tell them I can't come for 1 more day. Next day.
Yeah, actually we had another holiday.
Oh,
15 days back. We went to Maldives.
Really?
Yeah.
This
Wow.
buggy.
The buggy she
Oh,
showed, bro.
okay,
That's
okay.
in
So
Maldives.
where did you stay in Maldives?
It's the residence Digura.
Okay, very nice. So I'll turn around here and just brought you to show you.
Okay.
Over here in the end,
Okay.
so what we're building here, we have these luxury tents coming up. So,
Oh, okay.
you know how they have
Nice.
in the Oberoi in Udaipur?
Ha ha ha
So same concept, the guys who built that are doing it.
Okay.
These will have 6 luxury tents here.
ha.
And down we have the paddy fields where you see a lot of peacocks. So
Oh.
in the evening,
Okay.
at 5:30 they do a nature walk.
Oh,
So
okay.
5 to 6 o'clock we have a high tea.
It's a
Morning,
foggy
little
or?
bit, yeah.
Okay.
Depends.
So when
Sometimes
you was
it's-
coming, it was foggy.
Yeah,
Full of
sometimes
fog.
it's extra foggy, sometimes not so foggy. There is little bit, but you can see it.
Okay.
And when you do the nature walk in the evening, they'll show you our spice plantation. They'll show you inside the estate. They'll explain about the coffee, pepper.
Okay.
So since you're here for 1 day, you should.
Yeah, I should not miss that.
We also have over there on the left. They're opening a pure vegetarian restaurant.
Oh, okay.
It's called as Amish.
Oh,
Okay, and all of these are the new rooms which will be adding in the next 1 month.
oh, okay. Hey guys, so we'll give you a room tour. This is our Robusta room, and this is our key. So this is a touch key here, and you need to put it here for power supply. And come. So this is covered area. I think shoe racks over there, and covered area, and these are covered. They have safe also there. And this is restroom. Please come. Look at the restroom. This is wash basin area, and yeah, so this is the shower area, and there is the most interesting thing, the outside shower. You can see this is the outside shower area. This is so nice. Hey, so this is the outside shower area. I think shower this one, and this is really good. This is nice touch. Shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, and so we'll show you the main room. I mean the bed and all. As usual, sofa. This is a king size bed, and this water bottle is for us. And there are tea. I think this is complimentary, and this is tea here also. Tea packets, English tea. There are green tea, Ashmi's tea, Darjeeling tea, and kettle. Yep. And they give glass water bottle, which is good actually. We should not use the plastics. Bedding area. This is a TV. And this is a table area. Room is quite good. They have some paintings over there, and some flashlight here. So if you need to go outside at afternoon or evening, you can just take the flashlight and go. And there's a sitting area outside, a small balcony. Hey, so this is the balcony area, and this is some other rooms are there, and it's adjacent to that coffee estate. This is the coffee plantation there, coffee plants. So what you're seeing is the Robusta room. They have 3 different rooms. One is Robusta, one is cardamom. So that side is the cardamom room, and this is the Robusta room. And top floor, there are 2 BHK. Another room is there. Yeah, so that's it. That's a room tour for Rosetta by Ferns at Sakleshpur, and it's quite nice. Stay tuned, guys. We'll go for a lunch after half an hour. So we'll take some rest. We'll go for lunch. So this stay is all inclusive. That means we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner all inclusive with this stay. Stay tuned, guys. We'll talk about this stay. We'll see that how beautiful it is. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is the main kitchen. I mean the breakfast, lunch, and dinner will be served here. Tetro. The name is Tetro. And you see there is a sitting area. This is the entrance. This is the outside sitting area. That's the lobby. It's the adjacent to the lobby. You can see the view. It's a bright sunny day, and from the outside see the kitchen. It's a full glass and it looks really good. It's really bright sunny day, and all the coffee plants are nearby. That's the pool area, swimming pool area.